Students, today we are going to see second lesson number and sequence one words. So first one word Euclid division lemma. This also has here two more questions. So here you see four letters. You describe two letters. First we take if A and B are two integers, then there exists unique integer Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R. R is the remainder, Q is the quotient. So R how we get? So R is less than B, greater than or equal to 0. So that is your answer. R is less than B but greater than or equal to 0. Second one, using Euclid division lemma of any positive integer is divided by 9, then the possible remainders. So 9 u less than the 9 but answer is or the cubic numbers. So what are the less than 9 cubic numbers? 0 cube, 1 cube and 2 cube. So 0, 1 and 2 cube answer is 8. These are the possible remainders. Second answer is 0, 1, 8. Third one, HCF of 65 and 117. So HCF is a common factor. So common factor, what is the common number? Divided the two numbers. 13. 13 is the common factor. It's in the form of. So this is equal to 13. So you joined the two numbers. So 117 plus 13, 130 times of 65 in 130. So 2 times. So M is answer 2. So fourth one, sum of the exponent of a prime factor 1729. So 1729 prime factorization I do. So third, this is 9. So 3 table we try. So what is the total? Total is 8, 10, 19. 19 is not in 3 table. So I try to 7 table. So this is our answer. So 13 into 19. So these are the prime factorization. So power u, sum of the powers 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So sum of the exponent prime factorization of this number 3. Fifth one, the least number that divisible by 1 to 10. So how many 1 to 10 numbers? What is the LCM? So what is the LCM is asking. So your LCM is 2 power 3, 3 power 2, 5 power 1, 7. So after multiplying you will get 2520. 25, 20 is your answer. 2520. So sixth question, 7 power 4k. So 7 power 4, 4k answer here. So what is the 7 into 7 into 7 into 7? 4 times. So 2401. So mod 100. Mod is the divisor. So 100 table you will divide. You get 1 is a remainder. So you write the remainder here. So remainder is 1. Seventh question. Take first number 1, second number is a 3. So what is your general term? You add the past two numbers. So if you adding these numbers, first number 1, second number 3, you adding these numbers 4. You adding the past two numbers 3 plus 4, 7. Again you adding 4 plus 7, 11. Again you adding these two, 18. This continues. So you are asking question F5. So what is fifth number? Fifth number is 11. So eighth question, the first term is unity. Common difference 4. Which of the following will be term of AP? So what is the term of AP? AP terms are A plus D, A plus 2D. Again continues. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into t. So here what is your question? Your question first term is unity. So A is unity. So you remove this your answer. 1 you remove, you will get one answer. That is the multiple of common difference. So that is the multiple of 4. So which answer is divisible by fourth table? That is your correct answer. 7880 is divisible by 4, so 7881 is your correct answer. Ninth one, 6 times of 6th term is equal to 7 times of 7th term. Then you find the 13th term. So 6th term is 5d, a plus 5d. 7th term is a plus 6d. 6 times, so you multiplying, 7 times you multiplying. After equating, you 6a goes to this side, 1a only you get, and you reduce 30d to 42, you will get 12d. So what is this? A plus 12d is the 13th term. So that 13th term is 0. This kind of questions asking 2 more question also. So you add the 2. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 13th term should be in 0. 10th one, an AP consists of 31 terms. 16th term is M. So sum of all. So it's divided by 2. So after you will get the total value is 2m. So 31 by 2 into 2m. So 2 cancel. Your answer is 31m. 11th one, in AP first term is 1, common difference 4. How many terms sum of to be 120? So 120 sum. So what is your sum of formula? N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 120. So you calculating what is your correct answer. N minus 8 equal to 0. So n equal to 8. This is not possible. So n is 8. 8 is your answer. So next one, 12th question. If a equal to 2 power 65, b equal to 2 power 64 giving, which is true. So this is also 65 terms. So this is one answer. Anything power 0 is 1. So this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 up to 2 power 65. Here also 65 terms, but one is here less. So B is less 1. So A is greater than 1. So what is your correct answer? A is larger than B by 1. A is larger than by 1. So 2 power 0, this answer is 1. So your answer A is larger than by 1. 13th sum, what is the next term? You find it. So which are the terms are given? 3 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 18. Second term divided by first term, this is GP. So we divided, you will get 2 by 3. So you multiplying 2 by 3 all the terms. So you get the next term 1 by 18 into 2 by 3. So 2 cancelling, 1 by 9 into 3, 27. 1 by 27 is your next term. 14th, if T1, T2, T3 are in AP, you collect some numbers in this group 6, 12, 18. That is also in AP. So your answer is an arithmetic progression. 15th question, find the value. This is cube values minus this is the natural number 1 to 15. So what is your formula? This is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This is n into n plus 1 by 2 only. So you calculating this 15 into 16 by 2 the whole square minus 15 into 16 by 2. After cancelling this 120 whole square minus 120, this is common, you take out 120 minus 1. So 120 into 119. So 14, that 2 times 28. So what is your answer? 14, 28, 0. 14, 28, 0. Keep in your mind.